Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice algebra problem, that is 27 to the power x plus 9 to the power x is equal to 150. So here we have to find all possible values of x. Let's start our solution. As we know that this 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3 whole to the power, here it is x. Similarly 9 can be written as 3 squared whole to the power x is equal to 150. Now according to exponential property, if we have a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. So it can be written as 3 to the power x whole to the power 3. Similarly plus 3 to the power x whole squared is equal to 150. Now here it is 3 to the power x and it is also the same term, that is 3 to the power x. So let us suppose that 3 to the power x is equal to m. So it will be m cubed plus m squared is equal to 150. Now shifting this 150 to our left hand side, it will be m cubed plus m squared minus 150 is equal to 0. Now if you factorize this minus 150, that is minus 125 minus 25 is equal to minus 150. So here we have m cubed plus m squared minus 125 and minus 25 is equal to 0. Now if we write this minus 125 with m cubed and minus 25 with m squared, so we have m cubed minus 125 and here we have plus m squared minus 25 is equal to 0. Now m cubed minus 125 is equal to 5 cubed. So we just make it is our first pair, and similarly here we have m squared. 25 can be written as 5 squared is equal to 0. Now we are going to use algebraic formulas here, as we know that a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared. And similarly we have a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So here these two formulas we are going to use here in our equation. So this step will be m cube minus m cube can be written as m minus 5, m cube minus 5 cube, that is m minus 5 times m squared plus 5 times m plus 5 squared, and here we have plus sign, so m squared minus 5 squared is m plus 5 times m minus 5 is equal to 0. Now here m minus 5 is a common factor, we just take m minus 5 is outside bracket, so here we will get m squared plus 5 times m plus 5 squared is 25, and here we have plus m plus 5 is equal to 0. Now m minus 5 is equal to 0, that is m minus 5 is equal to 0, and here we have m squared plus 5m plus m is plus 6m, and plus 25 plus 5 is 30 is equal to 0. Now from first equation we get m is equal to, shifting minus 5 we get plus 5. So here it is our first solution of m, that is m1 is equal to 5. So here in this equation it is a quadratic equation. We have to solve this by using quadratic formula. So here we have value of a is 1, b is 6, and we have value of c is 30. Now applying quadratic formula here, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. By putting the values of a, b and c, we will get that x is equal to minus 6 plus minus, that is 6 squared, minus 4 times a is 1, c is 30, all over 2 times a is 1. So our next step will be, here x is equal to minus 6 plus minus 6 square is 36, and minus 4 times 30 is equal to 120, all over 2 times 1 is 2. So x is equal to minus 6 plus minus square root of 100 minus 120 plus 36, we get minus 84, all over 2. Here we have x is equal to, that is x is equal to minus 6 plus minus square root of minus 84, can also be written as that 4 times 21 times minus 1, we get minus 84, all over 2. So x will be minus 6 plus minus, here it can be written as square root of 4 times square root of 21 times square root of minus 1, all over 2. So our next step will be x is equal to minus 6 plus minus square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 21, and minus 1 square root is equal to I, all over 2. So if we just take 2 is common, we will get minus 3 plus minus square root of 21 I, all over 2. Now cancelling this 2 with 2, we get the value of x, that is x is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 21 I. Now these are two values of x, that is x2 and x3. So here we just write this x, but here it is actually m according to this equation, m squared plus 6m plus 30. So we just shift this x with m. So here we have m. Similarly, it can be written as m. Now we get the values of m here. So here this x is actually, it is not x, but we just write m, and it is m. Similarly, it is also m. So just replace x with m, so we get two values of m, that is m2 and m3. Now we have three values of m. So recall our equation here, that we have supposed that 3 to the power x is equal to m. So when m1 is equal to 5, then here 3 to the power x is equal to 5. Taking log on both hand side, we have log 3 to the power x is equal to log 5. Now applying logarithm law here, that if we have log a to the power p is equal to p log a. So our left hand side will be x log 3 is equal to log 5. Now dividing log 3 on both hand side, here on our left hand side this log 3 is cancelled. We get x is equal to, here we use logarithm law, that log 5 to base 3. So it is our value of x1, that log 5 to base 3. Here we have used this law of logarithm, that if we have log a over log b it is equal to log a to base b. Now we are going to solve another value of x from this equation. So here, as 3 to the power x is equal to m, so here m 2 and 3 is equal to this one, then 3 to the power x is equal to, that is minus 3 plus minus square root of 21i. Now taking log, we will get log 3 to power x is equal to log minus 3 plus minus square root of 21i. Now applying logarithm law, we get x log 3 is equal to, here we have log minus 3 plus minus square root of 21i. Now if we divide this log 3 on both sides, then on our left hand side log 3 is cancelled. We have x is equal to, applying this law here, so we will get log minus 3 plus minus square root of 21i with base 3. So here we get x2 and x3. Now we have actually three solution of x, that real and complex solution. So it is our real solution, and here we get our two complex solution. So these values are our final answer. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.